Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an incline fan folded shirt. I'm going to ice dye this one, but I'm also going to use some liquid dye on the back side. So to begin, I have my shirt prepped. It's been washed, dried, soaked in soda ash, wrung out with my Panda spin dryer, and I have it turned inside out. I'm going to use a washable marker and make a little dot on the side of my shirt where I'd like for the middle of my fan fold to begin. Then I'm taking my marker and wrapping a piece of kite string around it, putting the kite string on the dot, and making an arc on my shirt with the washable marker. I'm going to just use this line and I'm going to fan fold it. When I'm finished fan folding, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. Then I'm just going to continue fan folding the rest of my shirt and tie it up with some kite string too. Okay, so I mentioned at the beginning that I was going to incline dye this one. So how I'm going to do that is I have a plastic tub that has pretty tall sides on it, and I've cut a piece of plastic guttering that will fit down inside of my tub. I have one end down in the tub, I put my shirt down in the guttering, and then I'm letting the other end of the guttering hang over the edge of the tub so that it's at a pretty good size incline. So for this shirt, I'm going to use 3 colors. I'm going to use fuchsia, grape, and turquoise. I'm using Dharma's fuchsia, The grape that I'm going to use is actually a combination of Dharma and I have some custom colors grape. So I'm just going to use both of them. Once I run out of one, I'm going to finish with the other. And then turquoise. Just going to repeat that pattern down the shirt several times. Once my dye is all on, I'm going to add some soda ash to the top and layer on some ice. After the ice melted, I came back and I turned my shirt over in the guttering, and I had some Raven Black from Dharma Trading Company mixed up, and I just put a light coat of that all on the back of the shirt. Then I turned the shirt back over to the front and added another thin coat or another thin layer of ice and let it continue to process. Alright, so here's what our finished shirt ended up looking like. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do that by just hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.